Welcome to my channel, All for Health with Jane. Family Advocate Mshololo, shows that she is not satisfied about the issue of Metropolis officers being heavily armed when they were escorting the accused, because she keeps on raising this matter whenever they have the witnesses on the witness box. So she will ask if they were heavily armed and why. And when she does this, Judge Ratha doesn't leave her unanswered. Like I said to you, family, that it is clear when you listen to Judge Ratha already, you can know the outcome of this trial within a trial. So let's listen to Advocate Mshololo as she asks the same question that she asked to Constable Liserin. Now she's asking it to Constable Buthelezi.
You remained outside the premises of Albertine SAPS. You did not enter inside the CSC.
That is correct.
Is it also evidence that when you were waiting outside there, you were heavily armed? Or maybe just to say you were armed the way you were armed?
Okay. That is correct.
And when you escorted accused number 1 to that place where they went to, you were also armed? Okay.
Can we please correct this issue of escorting?
Yes, you can correct it.
We are not part of the group that was escorting.
Okay.
We were always remaining close by just in case we would be needed.
Oh, okay. But you were together with the convoy?
No, that is not correct.
Okay. When they were at the scene wherein they were working, wherein Colonel Hadebe was working with the photographer and accused number 1, you were also not there?
No, we're not there.
Okay, it's fine. May the court just bear with me, my lord. Just a second. Thank you, my lord. I have no further.
Family, listen to Judge Ratha's response and tell me, what are you thinking about the conclusion of this trial within a trial? By just listening to what he is saying when he responds to Advocate Mshololo.
Maybe strictly speaking, this has got nothing to do with this case. But just for background, have you ever heard of accused persons being transported with the normal vans of the state? Police vans being taken to court in the morning or being taken from court in the afternoon. Do you understand?
My lord, I think I missed something.
Has he ever heard of an exigency where when the accused are either taken in the morning to court, transported in a van or the big trucks, or taken away from court towards the police cells or jails?
Wake wezwa yini ngokuthi khona isikhathi lapho abasolwa bethathwa khona ngamaveni amakhulu lawa amaphoyisa eyiswa enkantolo zemanje noma ukususwa enkantolo zemanje kusetshenziswa zona lezi moto bephindiselwa ejele.
Yebo.
Yes.
They are being hijacked by supposedly either their comrades or colleagues or whoever, and the police being shot with AK-47s. Have you ever heard of that?
Okwezwa yena ukuthi khona la okwenzeka khona ukuthi amaphoyisa ahlaselwe mhlamba abangani noma abanye nje abantu abehlasela la amaphoyisa aphelezela abasolwa ngeibhamu ezinkulu AK-47.
And those prisoners being released, or the accused being released
futhi ke
by these AK-47 wielding Good Samaritans.
Kusho ukuthi ke neziboshwa ke zizikhulu lesikhulu yibo labantu abaphethe ikhale njengo AK-47.
Yebo ngingazi.
Yes, I've heard of that.
Now, tell me, when it is put to you that you were heavily armed, what's your view? When they say you are heavily armed, if there's a possibility after what I've sketched to you,
emva ukuthi ngichazele ibekele lesi sithombe
by AK-47 wielding persons, and you come with a .38.
Manje ke uthini ke wena uPaula uthini ke emva ukuthi ngibele lesi sithombe sokuthi khona abathwala ama AK-47 bayozama ukukhulula noma bakwazi ke nokuthi bakhulule iziboshwa. Uthini ke wena ukuthi nihamba nihlome ngalendlela enihlome ngani phethe mhlambe i.38.
Yeah, isona isizathu esenza ukuthi sibukeke ngendlela esibukeka ngayo nanoma siphethelezo ibhamu.
That is the reason why we appear as
Advocate Mnisi couldn't hold himself. You know, he just burst into laughter when Judge Ratha says you cannot come with .38 when people come with AK-47s. No, it won't be safe for you.
Because this exigency has even happened in court, inside court. Judges were locked into their cupboards when, so about 8 months back, six or 8 months back, when AK-wielding persons, released persons in the Johannesburg court, shot some of the guards at the entrance. The courts were adjourned. The judges, including this one, were told to hide in our wardrobes. So I'm taking that as judicial notice. Not that it affects this case, it applies to this case. I'm saying that exigency happens. It's a reality. Any questions arising from that? Mr. Gomezul? Well, let's start with your colleague here, Mr. Baloyi. You heard of that exigence?
No questions from me.
And the Johannesburg court?
Yes, we've heard of such instances.
People were killed actually on the passage there. These guards who check on firearms and what have you, 2 of them, ladies, were blown off.
Yes.
You heard of it?
Yes, we heard of it.
And of course, when these prisoners were taken into the Joubert Street, OK Bazaar, Starterfords, getting into the parking lot, they were released. The whole truck full of accused persons from various courts, JP, Cleveland, wherever. They were released. You heard about that?
Yes, that's why we are adjourned at 3:30 in this matter to avoid such situations.
Yes, Mr. Ngomezulu, do you know anything about what this court is saying?
My Lord, I've never heard.
You have never?
It's only one incident.
Where do you practice?
But it's only one incident that I remember in Joburg, where the prosecutors were forced to go on top of the roof.
One incident?
By the families of the accused. That's the only one that I know.
Mr. Mnisi, you're a prosecutor. You have never been told to lie inside your cupboard.
I know of the incident, but about the .38 special can be no match to AK-47.
Yeah, I think so too. Mr. Ngomalo?
Thank you, my daughter. I've heard about such incidents. Thank you.
Mr. Mshololo?
My lord, no, at least no one was forced to make a statement under those circumstances.
No, Mr. Mshololo, you're an officer of this court. You've got to answer with integrity and honor. It's not a joke.
No, my lord, I haven't had any incident.
And it has nothing to do with making a statement.
Thank you, my lord.
Yeah, okay. So these uniforms, when they say you are heavily armed, is that your normal uniform?
Manje lezi uniform lesenigqoka enigqokayo
No comment.
manje uma nigqoke niphethe izikhali ezinjengalezo injwayelo yokugqoka leyo uma nisemsebenzini.
Yebo.
That is correct, my lord.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir.
Family, from what Judge Ratha Mokgoathleng is saying, family, the issue of Metro Police being heavily armed, it's got nothing to do with Ntanzi and Sibia, but it has to do with the safety of innocent people in this case, or innocent people wherever they go. And another thing is, what he is saying here, or what even the other Metropolise are saying here, it's these people, it's not only because of Ntanzi and Sibia. This is part of their job uniform. So it's part of their uniform wherever they go. As long as they are in full uniform, they will wear and have those arms with them. So though it is disturbing to people to hear that these people were heavily armed, escorting one person who, is even handcuffed, but for the sake of their safety, the sake of the safety of other people, they have to do it. Imagine being in court and all of you, these people come with guns, they shoot everyone. So people who are there needs to be protected as well. That's my understanding anyway. So you have the right to say whatever in the comment section. If you feel maybe there's any other way they were supposed to do it, you are free to give it in the comment. Thank you, family, for watching this video to this point. Please like it before you leave. Subscribe for my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you, family. Bye.